How to insert checkbox in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily insert checkbox in your Excel. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file, and if you don't have the developer option in Excel, first you will need to enable it. You can go to home, and then you can press anywhere on the ribbon, right click on it, and then tap on customize the ribbon, and there you can see developer option. Tap on it and hit OK. Now you'll need to head over to your developers option at the top, and there you can see insert. Tap on it, and you can see form controls and ActiveX controls. ActiveX controls is an advanced control, so let's focus on form controls. There you can see the tick mark. This is the checkbox, so just tap on it, and then you will need to drag it in a cell where you want it. You'll need to be careful with the checkbox, it's a bit difficult, and there you go. So that's how you insert it. Just tap on it, and then you'll have to drag it in the cell and then make it. And now once you tap on it, it will be ticked. So that's how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.